For 100 years, the Mueller Electric Company has been a leader in the market for temporary electric connections. An early pioneer of the electric clip, Mueller's innovative lines of clips and electronic test accessories have been sold worldwide since 1908 through authorized distributors. Through decades of manufacturing improvement, Mueller perfected its soldering of test leads and cable assemblies on the assembly line at its factory in Cleveland, Ohio. Then came the Chinese challenge: low-cost, offshore production. Mueller tasked its manufacturing engineers to develop a revolutionary new soldering process. The goal: to increase labor efficiency and process control in production line soldering by 300% to 400%. The result of this effort is the Mueller Solder Station. Conventional soldering is a three-step process. Parts are placed in fixtures, soldered with a handheld iron, then removed from the fixtures. This cumbersome process takes up crucial production time and is simply not conducive to the high efficiencies required in manufacturing facilities. Soldering with a Mueller Solder Station is a one-step process. The solder feeder tube projects horizontally toward the vertical heated tip. The operator advances the solder with an electronically controlled foot pedal, freeing the operator's hands to place the parts in a position to receive the solder. The solder makes contact with the heated tip for a controlled time interval in a precise position, creating a consistent solder joint. A built-in exhaust fan in the Mueller Solder Station pulls the hazardous fumes released by the melting solder through the machine and out the rear of the unit. The fan contains a filter and can be attached to a ventilation system. The close proximity of the intake nozzle to the molten solder allows harmful gases to be removed before they can mix with the ambient air. The temperature of the heating element is displayed in 5-degree increments. The dial indicator flashes when the temperature is increasing and remains lit when the temperature is holding constant. The speed dial controls the rate at which the solder advances toward the tip of the heating element. The unit contains 2 span modes that control the length of the solder dispensed through the feeder tube. The operator can choose continuous mode, which allows him or her to start and stop the advancement of the solder with the foot pedal. Or the user has the option of the pulse mode, in which the operator can advance the solder in preset discrete increments with a push of the foot pedal. The retract control allows the operator to back up the solder into the feeder tube. The tip is held in place with the set screw. The adjustment range of 3 inches allows a tip height of 7 to 10 inches. The vertical adjustment moves the head from 15 degrees up to 45 degrees down. This allows the operator flexibility in the angle of approach. The head adjusts horizontally 54 degrees in either direction from the center. This allows the operator to set the unit in the most comfortable position. The Mueller Solder Station will be available in 110-volt and 220-volt versions to appeal to the majority of the world's markets. It will also contain a storage compartment to store extra soldering tips, brushes, and other accessories. Without a doubt, the new, innovative Mueller Solder Station will increase the efficiencies required in the manufacturing process, while providing users the reliability associated with the Mueller name. For a free demonstration of a Mueller Solder Station, contact your distributor or visit Mueller's website at www.muellerelectric.com.